Hello, friends. How are you, friends? Welcome to this ever fresh channel, ever stylish ideas. In this channel, you will get lots of ideas to decorate your garden. So, stay tuned to this channel. To stay connected to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications of all upcoming latest videos about the garden. Creating a garden at home can enhance your living space, provide fresh produce, and offer a peaceful retreat. You will get variety of gardens at this channel. So, considering these different elements of garden, you can create beautiful and functional garden that enhances your home environment, and even you can enhance beauty of your workplace. There exist different types of garden like vegetable gardens, flower gardens, herb gardens, rock gardens, and water gardens. If you are interested in vegetable gardens, you can grow your own produce, which is ideal for sustainability. It's ideal for growing your own food. Choose a sunny spot and plan for raised beds or in ground planting. Common vegetables include tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce. Have you ever been interested in the aesthetic look of your garden? You should focus on the flower garden. Definitely, it will give aesthetic appeal with annuals and perennials. You can choose a mix of annuals and perennials to ensure blooms throughout the seasons. Popular flowers include roses, sunflowers, and daisies. Your garden can be a suitable place for cooking if you choose herb gardens, which are a compact form of garden. It's great for culinary uses and can be grown in small spaces. Common herbs include basil, parsley, and mint. Is your budget getting low? You should opt for rock gardens. In this way, you can utilize stones and drought resistant plants for low maintenance. You can get cool feeling by opting the option of water garden. In this way, you can incorporate features like water elements like ponds or fountains, often with aquatic plants like lilies. What should you consider for garden design? First of all, layout. Plan the layout considering sunlight, wind direction, and accessibility. Raised beds can organize plants and improve soil drainage. Next is plant selection. Choose plants suited to your climate and soil type. Consider native plants for easier maintenance. Must consider color schemes. Plan for seasonal color and texture. Combine different heights and bloom times for a dynamic look. Now, here I am explaining some maintenance tips to keep your garden fresh. Watering. Use a consistent schedule, especially in dry spells. Drip irrigation systems can save water and time. Next, soil health. Amend soil with organic matter like compost to improve fertility and structure. Not to forget pest control. Employ organic methods like companion planting or natural predators to manage pests. Pruning and deadheading. Regularly prune plants to promote growth and remove dead flowers to encourage more blooms. Moreover, what additional features you consider? Paths and borders. Use gravel, mulch, or stones for pathways. Edging can help define spaces and keep grass from encroaching. Furniture and decor. Incorporate seating areas